Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Softech. In this video, we are going to learn about the blend curves. Let's start the video first. Here you can see that we have some curved objects. First of all, let's understand what is blend curves and how we can apply it. So blend curve is basically for the curved objects, and blend curves help us to combine the curved objects with the reference curved objects. You can also say that it is combining the two objects so that it will look similarly. So let's apply the blend curve. Select the blend curve from the modified toolbar, then select the first object, then the next object. Again, select the blend curve first, then select the first object, then the second object. Again, repeat the blend curves. Select the first object, then the next object. In this way, you can provide the blend curves very easily in the curved objects. It helps you to look the objects similar to the previous objects. Now, let's see the keyboard command for the blend curves, and the keyboard command is BLEND. Then press enter. Now select the first object, then the second object. If you want to apply the blend curves by the help of the second method, then you can also apply it. First select the blend curve, then go to the continuity, then select the tangent, then select the first object, then the next object. So in this way you can provide the blend curve. Now moving towards the location, you will get it from the modify menu bar. Here you can see the blend curves, and the second location is the modify toolbar. You will get the blend curve. So this is for all today. If anyone is new in this channel, then subscribe to my channel Civil Softech, and old ones, like this video, share it, and do comment in the comment section. We are going to meet in the next videos. Till then, bye bye and take care.